Yo!
Justin!
We're waiting for you. We're waiting for you.
Oh, that's smooth. Oh, canopy. It's a canopy. It's alright.
I got no control.
Oh boy.
I got no gear. I think I got gear.
If you want to do a slow flyby, I'll tell you.
It's falling over.
You got gear. You got gear.
I think that was a runner.
Alright, you don't need a rudder.
An elevator, I think.
An elevator, okay. That you might need. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Go far out. Come in. Nice, nice, nice. Turn left and right. Sweet.